This is the Pro-Forma pitch competition.
An opportunity for a founder to get a $50,000 prize to help them launch their startup.
Startups apply from 5 continents and 22 countries. They use the Pro-Forma toolkit to assemble their financial plan, valuation, capital raise forecast, and more.
Pro-Forma cleared so much confusion.
The insights and guidance I gained from the platform have been extraordinarily valuable.
I really appreciate the in-depth analysis as I am preparing for meetings with investors.
140 founders started the process, but only 10 were selected as finalists.
This innovation wasn't just a business move, it was a response to the real-life challenges.
And my wife looked at me and she said, "You need to build something to protect our children now."
We ensure that every part we help create meets the highest standards.
We leverage AI bots to buy and sell cryptocurrency.
What if tenants could be replied to immediately, maintenance scheduled immediately?
We're connecting apartment seekers with vetted, verified local gig workers.
It provides analysis particularly for your life.
What FICO did for the credit lending institution, we're looking to do for the auto insurance industry.
To analyze information from the consumer as someone is trying to achieve a goal of home ownership.
Someone's going to emerge as the Gatorade of the pet hydration market.
Finalists received feedback from a global panel of experienced founders and investors.
Pro-Forma should become the standard package for all investors.
I love the investability scoring, and I love the ability to see the underlying assumptions.
But there could only be one winner.
How does it feel to be the winner?
Oh, are you serious?
Yes, you're the winner.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh.
Congratulations.
Being new to raising capital, investment world, VC world, I already had a pitch that I was working on, but to think through additional items, to have a different visualization of it was really cool. This definitely puts a lot of wind in my sails, so thank you.
The first capital you get is often the hardest, and we're trying to make it easy. The Pro-Forma tools will help lead you through that process and prepare, plan, value, and pitch.